much. And like I said, we have a beautiful content creation class coming, not a shameless plug, but we have a beautiful class coming. Also, it'll be virtual Zoom, and you can buy an ebook coming out very soon. But we talk about this and being able to create content. But like I said, there are some days where I don't feel creative. There's real shit going on. I back up, come off, I'll leave for a few days. I know it's going to probably fuck up my algorithm and my follow count. I'm not worried about that. Reality is there's other stuff going on, family, kids, woo, woo, woo. I'll come back on. And then when I'm back on, I'm on. Casey, like literally after this, we're going straight back to editing, back to work. We're in the vault right now. And then we're going to go cook dinner. And then we got to take showers. And we have
damn that shower.
And then whoop, whoop, whoop. And then we're right back to editing and on to the next video. This is another thing too. Oh yeah, we have to shout him out. I want to touch on something.
Yeah, shoot.
When you can't create, don't force it because they will know.
Yep, I believe that.
Don't fake the funk. If you don't feel creative, back up, reline, go work out, go smoke a joint, go outside, go be with your husband, be with your kids.
Because it should hold weight. It should hold weight. You know what I mean? Sometimes people put like, what did I just get out of this? I don't know what, random image or whatever story. But I think people should also put weight on what they push out. So if you're just like, oh shit, I got to post today, that shit really throws people off, I think.
And I've done that before, bro, because I get caught up in the shit and I have to be like, wait. And this is another thing. There's no competition. It is quality over quantity. And that's why I'm so blessed and so thankful to God and praying on it every day that I have the clientele that I have that waited for me through COVID, through my daughter's situation. And they know that there's no one else that they're going to go to and trust more than with me than their spray tan or makeup and all that stuff, right? But also the interaction and that energy that them exchange in that room or in that service, that 30 minutes once you book with me, they're like, I want that. I want to come back. And they come back. And I'm so thankful and loyal to that. And it speaks to, there's many other artists that they can choose and they choose you. That speaks volumes for me. So every person that comes in, bro, they are my superstar. They are my Taylor Swift and Beyonce and J-Lo. They are my Kim K. They are my OnlyFans. Whatever you want to feel and fantasize, you are that girl, and I'm about to make you feel it and breathe it and sleep it, and we're about to have hella fun in the room with your boyfriend.
You look like you're always having fun in there, whether you're cleaning, whether you have clients, lashes, makeup, tanning. I love it. Well, I think you guys are a power couple. Like you said, it's not easy. It takes two. My husband also does all the behind the scenes. We're obviously gifted with a gap here. And so we get to be the face. And I think that too is important, that we're wives and our husband are supporting our goals at the same time, because I think a lot of women struggle in that at the same time. I think being supported by your husband as far as what you do, and understanding that it is going to come to some days where he's got to be mom and dad, because we got to either go out to an event, fly to something. I'm super thankful that my husband is super laxed in that and is super supportive in anything that I do. And he's always putting the children first and me first. And then he really emphasizes on what we expect from men. And that's giving us the security that we need and making us feel like we can fucking do anything that we want. And I've met Joe and I've been around you guys, and he spews out the same thing. And, he's also a veteran, so thank you for his service. But, anything to that, like, how do you guys keep that going? Because also, like, working together, like, if he cuts up something like an edit and you're like, what the fuck, I didn't like that shit, and he's like, that shit was funny, that's the shit we deal with. I'm like, we got to get on a podcast, baby. He's like, no, I ain't doing that shit.
Yeah. So do you listen to Breakfast Club?
Yeah, I used to, not so much anymore.
I don't either. Do you like Candace Owens?
I do.
Today, I'm only going to bring this up, put politics aside. I don't care if you like him or not like him, but she said something today on Breakfast Club, what she finally got invited to today for the first time on Black.
Shit, you guys see that?
I couldn't fucking not watch it. I literally watched the whole thing. She said that her husband was made like God intentionally, she prayed, and it was made for her. me and him were aligned together. And she also said that when you connect the husband, you don't connect just physically and emotionally. You connect like with your IQs and the way you think and our artistic minds. Like our brains just work together with business and editing and creating and being parents and loving of God and our family and what our purpose is and what the goal is. And I'm sure that's like for you and your husband, that is the most magical thing that we can have. I'm looking at
It's
you.
like when they asked ASAP and Rihanna, like, when are you guys going to do collab? And their answer was like, what you talking about? We just had a baby. That was our best collab ever.
Ever. And
That
and
was
the
so good.
that's another reason why I don't want to say the content is so good, but it's so real because it's two real people behind you that are loving and love being married and love family and love each other and love what we do, and we're be able to provide a platform and to be able to share that. And like you said, I get to be the face of it. That's huge. And
Yeah,
we do events together. We go everywhere together. We don't not work together. So we do everything together, and it's huge. It's so important to have that. And if you don't have that, to look for that and strive for that.
exactly.